Science and technology. Psyche. Asteroid ekkada untundi, where the asteroid will be there? It will be between Mars and Jupiter. Those extraterrestrial objects which are roaming between Mars and Jupiter are called as asteroids. And these asteroids are not only between Mars and Jupiter, they are also rotating around the sun. That particular asteroid name is called as Psyche. And this Psyche was been studied by NASA. Psyche is recently in news. What it is? It is an asteroid. NASA has launched a specific spacecraft Psyche on a 6-year mission to study a unique metal-rich asteroid named as. ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ పేరు సైకి, ఆ ఆస్ట్రాయిడ్ పేరు సైకి, ఆ స్పేస్ క్రాఫ్ట్ పేరు కూడా సైకి. మెయిన్లీ టు స్టడీ దోస్ ఆస్ట్రాయిడ్, ద నాసా హ్యాస్ సెండ్ ఏ స్పేస్ క్రాఫ్ట్ విచ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as Psyche to explore iron ore, previously unexplored aspects of planet formation, examine celestial body primarily composed of metal rather than rock and ice. So mainly we will be, what is Psyche? Psyche is a asteroid in between which happened in the month of October 2023. Spacecraft పేరు Psyche, ప్రాజెక్ట్ పేరు Psyche, అండ్ ఆ ఆస్ట్రాయిడ్ పేరు కూడా Psyche. ఎందుకు? అక్కడ ఐరన్, వాటర్, సేమ్ స్టోరీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఎర్త్, వెదర్ ద సేమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. నిసర్ మిషన్, నాసా, ఇస్రో, సార్, సింథటిక్ అపర్చర్ రాడార్. So NASA and ISRO both combined for manufacturing what? Synthetic aperture radar, technique for producing high resolution images. Has been built by space agencies of USA and US under the partnership agreement in 2014. Is expected to be launched in January 2024 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, a near polar orbit. The satellite will operate for a millennium of 3 years. NISR is optimized for studying hazards and global environmental change, can help manage natural resources better and provide information to scientists and better understand the effects and places of climate change. So mainly it will be studying with respect to the climate change which is happening. So it will go on to the space and will look space or will look in the world. NISR, high resolution images. For what? It will look earth, identify the level of climate change which is happening. So ISRO and NASA both are sending. ఇప్పుడు ఇది స్పేస్ అయితే మనము అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఆదిత్యాన్ని సెకండ్ ఎందుకు అంటాము, ఆస్ట్రోసాట్ని ఫస్ట్ ఎందుకు అంటాము? సో ఇది స్పేస్ లుకింగ్ కాదు, ఇది లుకింగ్ ఎర్త్. సో శాటిలైట్ ఇఫ్ ఈస్ లుకింగ్ ఎర్త్ and satellite who is looking space. Astronomical study satellites are up to now only 2. One is called as Astrosat, second is called as Aditya. Remaining all are Earth observatory satellites. So this is also Earth observatory satellite, but for what? High resolution images. For what purpose I want high resolution images? Then I can properly identify the. So the main duty of NISR is to identify the climate change by which I can forecast the disasters. Satellite internet technology. Satellite internet technology. ఇది USB కేబుల్. ఒక శాటిలైట్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా మనము నియర్ ఎర్త్ ఆర్బిట్కి పంపించి ఆ శాటిలైట్ మన చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్నటువంటి కాలనీకి ఇంటర్నెట్ వచ్చే విధంగా, అంటే లోకలైజ్డ్ వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అస్ satellite internet, and that information which will be there will be present there only, it cannot go outside. So mainly such sort of internet will be helpful for military use. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ బిల్డింగ్ మీద శాటిలైట్ పెట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక రోటార్ పెట్టినామంటే ఆ డైరెక్ట్ శాటిలైట్ నుంచే మనం ఇంటర్నెట్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఆ పర్టికులర్ మెకానిజమే శాటిలైట్ ఇంటర్నెట్ టెక్నాలజీ. సిమిలర్ టు శాటిలైట్ టీవీ, సేమ్ DTH. DTH is another name for DTH is we are getting TV, DTH, digital from where? It's a satellite TV. Directly from satellite we kept our antenna. This is also called as internet, whereby I will be getting internet directly from satellite. Isn't dependent upon optic fibers or is it not? Directly satellite. A satellite connection uses communication satellites to provide internet connectivity to the users. Earlier, the space internet service utilized geostationary orbit satellites, but now increasingly low Earth orbit satellites are being deployed. It begins with an internet service provider sending satellites into space to orbit around the Earth. Got it? Orbit, there will be satellite. Here is our house. This is satellite internet technology. Question will be like this: the technology or the idea of satellite TV and satellite internet technology same or different? Same. The idea is same. Next, multimodal artificial intelligence. Multimodal artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is nothing but a machine will be thinking like a human being is called as artificial intelligence. Then what is this multimodal? Multimodal artificial intelligence will understand the human being's words, language for the first time, actions, gestures, emotions, వీటిని అందాగా వేసుకొని ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఇప్పటిదాకా ఓన్లీ ఆర్డర్ మాత్రమే, మనం నోటితో ఏదైతే చెప్పామో దాని ఆధారంగానే పనిచేస్తే దాన్ని మనము ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అనేవాళ్ళం. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ మన ఆర్డరే కాకుండా ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ద లాంగ్వేజ్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ద వర్డ్స్, బట్ ఆల్సో ద ఎమోషన్స్, ద గెస్చర్స్, దిస్ ఆల్ విల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ టు డూ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as multimodal artificial intelligence. A paradigm shift within artificial intelligence towards multimodal systems, allowing users to engage with artificial intelligence through a combination of text, image, sound, videos, emotions, is that combines multi-types of modes of data to create more accurate determination, draw insightful conclusions, make more precise predictions about the real world. Whereas artificial intelligence was only with respect to text or voice. But now text, voice, sound, video, picture, emotions. Like what? If heartbeat is increasing, 2 hours of the class completed, still if I am continuing my class, then multimodal artificial intelligence will tell stop now, enough. It is called as multimodal artificial intelligence. Project name called as GOBI, which aims to create a multimodal artificial system from scratch distinct from GPT models. GOBI. Example of another major player in the field is Google. New yet to be released multimodal large language model called as Gemini. Example of, if you need examples, GOBI and Gemini are the examples of multimodal artificial intelligence. For example, consider the following pairs of terms sometimes seen in the news. Belly to experiment దేనికి సంబంధించింది, బ్లాక్ చైన్ టెక్నాలజీ దేనికి సంబంధించింది, క్రిస్పర్ కాస్ దేనికి సంబంధించింది. దిస్ క్రిస్పర్ కాస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. CRISPR Cas9 is a protein which helps in gene editing. The CRISPR Cas9 will identify the gene where I have to do the edit, and that edit will be done by a protein called as CRISPR Cas. So it is part of gene editing. Wrong. Blockchain technology, digital. Billy 2 experiment is any Billy 2 experiment. Which of the pair are correctly matched? 2 only. Belly to experiment is not with respect to artificial intelligence, it is with respect to space. Ila. So in the same way we can expect GOBI and Gemini are associated with multimodal artificial intelligence. Next, Mistral, large language model. Mistral, large language model. A 7.3 billion parameter language model positioned to compete against Meta's LLM-2, Mistral positioned itself as a potentially important player in setting up Europe as a serious contender to build foundational artificial models. Mistral is a French tech startup and artificial intelligence company set up by former Meta and Google AI researchers. Large language models are advanced artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human-like language. To understand and generate human-like language. So these machines will be, main function is what? Human-like language will be made, will be understood. That particular project name is called as what? Large language model. By whom? Mistral of France. అంటే మెయిన్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి? మెయిన్ పాయింట్ హ్యూమన్ లైక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ విల్ బి మేడ్, హ్యూమన్ లైక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ విల్ బి అండర్స్టూడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ కాల్డ్ as large language model by Mistral. Green ammonia. Green ammonia. There are different varieties of ammonias are there. Green ammonia, blue ammonia, grey or brown ammonia. V.O. Chidambaram port in Tamil Nadu imported green ammonia from Egypt for the first time as part of its Go Green initiative. Is made using 100% renewable and carbon free, so that's it. Ammonia which is manufactured by environment friendly mechanisms, that ammonia is called as ammonia is for what? Fertilizer. Fertilizer cannot be manufactured without heat, without energy. Ammonia cannot be manufactured. Energy means what? I should produce the energy through thermal power corporation, means coal I should use. So the ammonia which I buyed, if it is made through environmental friendly mechanisms, that ammonia is called as green ammonia. Ministry of Power has notified green ammonia policy in 2022 is a pungent gas widely used to make fertilizers produced through Haber-Bosch's process in which hydrogen and nitrogen are reacted together at high temperatures and pressure, hence ammonia is formed. That ammonia which is manufactured by environment facility is called as green ammonia. Blue, for which byproduct carbon dioxide has been captured and stored, reducing climate change. Means ammonia, while I am producing ammonia, I am not using environment friendly mechanism. Traditional way I produced ammonia, so carbon dioxide will be released. I am sending that carbon dioxide into the carbon sequestration, where that carbon sequestration is present in ocean. That ammonia is called as, got it? Third, grey, ammonia produced using fossil fuel. So three types of ammonias are there. Green ammonia and a different thing. Ammonia which is produced by environment friendly mechanism is called as green ammonia. Blue ammonia is nothing but ammonia which is produced through traditional way, but the carbon dioxide which will be released is been sent into the carbon sinks of oceans, is called as blue ammonia. Third is grey ammonia, ammonia which is produced through fossil fuels, is called as grey ammonia. Blue carbon, what is blue carbon? Carbon captured by oceans and coastal, carbon sequestered in forest biomass, carbon contained in petroleum, carbon present in atmosphere. This is the answer. Blue carbon. ఈ బేసిస్ మీద బ్రౌన్ అమోనియా, బ్లూ అమోనియా, గ్రీన్ అమోనియా మీన్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ రీజనింగ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్. టైమింగ్స్ ఇది కొందరు ఉంటారు ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ సార్ చూసుకుంటే చెప్తున్నాను. Lot of time for 2 hours of session, nearly 15 hours will take. Why? Because identifying the topics will take the time and making every PYQ relevant PYQ. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనము గ్రీన్ అమోనియా, బ్లూ అమోనియా, గ్రే అమోనియా తీసుకోవాలి అని అంటే ఇదేందుకు తీసుకోవాలన్నప్పుడు దగ్గర రీజనింగ్ ఉంది. PYQ బ్లూ కార్బన్ అడిగాడు, సో కార్బన్ అందరికి తెలిసిందే. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ బ్లూ. డేంజర్, deleterious and anticipatable guides evaluated by RNA sequencing, that is called as danger. Deleterious, dangerous, anticipatable guess చేయవచ్చు, anticipatable guides evaluated by RNA. RNA will evaluate and RNA will come to a conclusion that there is some problem. That mechanism is called as danger. A software tool called as danger that provides a way for safer design of genome editing of all organisms. A software. Danger is a software which will help in proper genome coding without any deleterious effect. Got it? ఇప్పుడు నేను క్రోమోజోమ్ తీసాను, క్రోమోజోమ్ తీసి దాన్ని జీన్ ఎడిటింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఆబ్వియస్గా సైడ్ ఎఫెక్టో ఏదో ఒకటి ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది. వై? బికాస్ ఇట్స్ మోర్ సెన్సిటివ్ థింగ్. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ deleterious effect, if I want to make genome, it is very tougher task. So now we came up with what mechanism? A software mechanism, so that when I am making the genome also, that gene is not getting impacted. That particular software tool is called as, got it? So danger is what? A software tool developed in genome sequencing, in understanding the genomes. When we are going for genome sequencing, obviously man or some things will be involved, some side effects or some change will be happened. So that change also should not happen, means I have to develop a software. So hence that software is a new software tool that makes genome editing safer by overcoming limitations in CRISPR టెక్నాలజీలో ఉన్నటువంటి లిమిటేషన్స్ని కూడా ఓవర్కమ్ చేసినటువంటి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇస్, for example, we go for laser nowadays. So laser, you will put the laser into the eyes, or so that without any surgery it will happen. Suddenly someone came and did like this. So human error is possible. So we want some system. We want some system which should have no impact. So ever evolving. So CRISPR technology is a good whereby protein will be editing it. So that is also having some error. So we are coming up with a software tool called as